Working on a bulkhead upgrade to put in some new washers in this store. So going way back here, this was Maytag home style store, which you had the setups like that, where you had two top loaders, small stack dryers. So we renovated the store 14 years ago, put in the Horizon small stack dryers, and then we ended up with 4 Ipsos along here. We had two 35s, two 55s. So this was just a little small bulkhead, the little 12-inch ones. This was about the end of the original bulkhead there, and then we had added on a bit more to get the Ipsos in, and then at a different time we came in and put in these couple of Milners. So we just built this this channel frame or angle iron frame out of some of that to get it in here, built off site, brought in, sat in, then we added the electrical panel here. So what we're doing now is the new ones are gonna have a drain trough, so we've got to expand the bulkhead and then take out the remains of the old one.